Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I'm coming on showing you how I am taking down the granny tiles in my kitchen. Um, this was a very long task. I got extremely tired doing this. One of the things that I noticed is that whoever put this tile down, who owned the home before me, apparently tiled right over holes in the wall, or they made the holes in the wall and decided to tile right over it. I don't know. But anyway, I had to fix the wallpaper that was attached to the drywall. So that's what this stuff is that I'm putting on now that kind of prepares that paper and seals it. These tiles apparently were so old that when you took it off, it literally took the white of the board off with them. So I'm going in, putting the sealer on, and then I'm going in with some joint compound to put over the wall. Now, I would tell you, on the other side, not so much. When I pulled off the tile from the other side and seen this big old hole, I was like, oh my God. But anyway, I patched the hole. I had to cut out a piece of backer board and put that back in the wall. So I did do that. This was just so much unnecessary work that I had to do with this wall. But I got it done. Here it is. Enjoy. I'm glad it's over with. I bought 30 square feet on tile, and it was not enough. I measured how much tile I would need, and I measured it 3 times, and my measurement shows I had 23 square foot. So how in the world did 30 equal not being enough? I don't know. Maybe it's because what they claim is 10 pieces in a box is not the square footage that they computed it to be. At any rate, I had to order one more box to finish the other side of the wall, and that won't be here until I believe the 14th or so, which gives me a well deserved break so I can just relax. But I am still happy and just enthused with the tile and how it turned out. I love it. It makes the kitchen look really elegant. So I love that glass piece of it. I love walking in the kitchen at nighttime and turning on the light and just seeing the glycerin of the glass. It just gives it a whole new vibe, a whole new look in the kitchen. Anyway, hey guys, enjoy.